All the birds could fly, but this little bird stayed still. Do you know why? Once upon a time, in a green and peaceful forest, there lived a little bird. All the other birds flew high in the sky, but this little bird sat quietly on a branch. Long ago, the little bird tried to fly, but he fell down and it hurt badly. From that day, fear lived inside his heart. He thought, what if I fall again? Every day, he watched butterflies dancing, birds singing, and clouds floating freely. His heart wanted to fly, but his wings were afraid. One day, his mother came and sat beside him. She said gently, "My child, wings are not made to sit, they are made to try." Just then, a soft breeze touched his feathers. The trees seemed to whisper, "The sky is waiting for you." The little bird took a deep breath. He did not fly, he simply took one small jump. For a moment, he felt fear. Then, his wings opened wide. The air held him up, and the little bird smiled. He said happily, "I never forgot how to fly. I only forgot to believe in myself." From that day on, the little bird flew higher and higher, and he learned even small courage can help you fly. Moral: believe in yourself. One small try can change everything. Enjoyed this story? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more details. And remember to share with your friends.